In this video, I'll show you how to make a group in Google Hangouts. So when you open up Google Hangouts, this is what it takes you to. To start a new conversation, all you need to do is press here and then new group. And this is how you'll make the new group. So group example. So now you can enter the names, email, or phone numbers of people that you want to add to your group. You can also select on the contact and that adds them. So I'll just add another email of myself. And then now you've made a group with you and the other person, and this is group example 1. In order for the group to stay in the conversations area, you have to say something. And now that I've typed something, the group will forever be in Google Hangouts under my Conversations tab. So if I exit Google Hangouts and then go back to Google Hangouts, as you see, the conversations that I've made in groups that I have are right here. So if I ever want to access this group, you go to the group and you can video chat, see who's in it, and then manage people, blah, blah, blah. So if you want to change the people in it, you go here, you can delete people or add people. And that's how you make a group in Google Hangouts.